Hello, internet friends. Why am I wearing such a fancy shirt? I must be going somewhere. I don't remember where I'm going because I haven't caught up to real time yet. So this is a few days ago. Anyway, yeah. If you also wear fancy shirts, come join our Slack group and scan the QR code. That's how that works. That's why I put that there. Sorry, it's late. Okay, so I am trying to again match drill the J channel for the right wing to the left wing spar, and hopefully I move the camera closer so we can see the technique that I'm doing of clecoing. You're using spring clamp clecos to cleco the J channel backwards against the left wing spar flange. That is really hard to say and keep straight in my very tired brain after working on the plane and trying to orient space and time in plane wing form. Okay, and then in the last video I created a like 1/16 inch piece of plastic that I 3D printed so that way I could use that as a guide of where to match drill the J channel. And when I had to cleco it backwards, I couldn't figure out a good way to print a guide to make it where I wanted. So I basically took a piece of J channel that was correctly drilled, clecoed that, and tried to clecoed that backwards, and then tried to use that as a guide. Hopefully I moved the camera closer so we can see what I'm talking about. Anyway, that's what I did. Sometimes when you're building a plane, you're like, this is gonna be close enough. In fact, yeah, now you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I clecoed it with the spring clecos and then basically eyeballed it to make the J channel in a uniform position, and then I drilled holes in the middle to like secure it so it wouldn't sag. And then now you can see that I'm drilling down, and as I'm drilling I'm putting a cleco in so that way it stays somewhat straight. And I'm putting the cleco in from behind because that means you can drill from the front easier because there's space. Again, spatial orientation is important in lots of things in life, especially building airplanes, and it's just so hard. Not expensive, right? You screw this thing up, it's like $10 in J-channel. And then, of course, after match drilling, you have to deburr all of the little tiny burrs that form, and then they're annoying. Okay. What other news do I have? Let's see. It had been challenging to get this done because, well, I mean, this is the last step I gotta do before I can actually do the top skins, which is good. I would like to rivet on the top skins, and then I can go to building the leading edge that we just saw there that needs to get done, and then keep progressing in the plans. I think after the top or leading edge is the tanks, I think. So I would love to have a complete wing and then do the same and build another complete wing and get all that done by January. That's my target, so that way I can put my engine on and order avionics. I don't know how I'm going to start the engine without any avionics because I haven't done any of that. So speaking of that, if you also haven't done any avionics, or you have, come join our Slack group. If you scan the QR code in the top corner here, that's the invite that will drop you right in there, and you can chat with all us knuckleheads also building airplanes. So see you there and in the next video.